Yeah, why have your own in-house Exchange server if you can just get it from Microsoft? Oh no, traffic. If she knew where I was back here, she would have used that pull off and let us by. It's not like she's ever going to go the speed limit in her Subaru. I wouldn't expect her to use her rear view mirrors either. Too busy playing with their hair. We're almost to the lake. Wonder how much further along they've come on that house. They built a beautiful house up here. Well, the honeycuts are there, and they're welcoming you. Top Mountain. That's a lot of gravel in this turn. I don't suggest you come hauling butt through that turn. There's the dam, the lake. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Bunch of people along here got brand new docks this year. There's the house. I can't tell if they did a basement or not. I absolutely would have done a basement. There's a man door there. With that big poured retaining wall, I'd done a basement, all my mechanical room down in there. Since you can't get a car down to it, I'd have made a game room, put a pool table, big screen TV, one of them ginormous big screen 25-inch TVs. In the 80s, if you had a 25-inch TV, you were awesome. And pretty soon Lake's End's gonna open. I hope you'll join me for a hamburger at Lake's End. Right here. They look open. It says closed, but there's cars there. I can only imagine what this nonsense is. Methany sitting on the side of the road, her car with all her stuff in the parking lot across the street. And now we're going to take us a left-hand turn. Junaluska Road is going to take us right down into Andrews, and that's where you want to go. If you go straight, though, the road is kick butt going straight. So if you're heading to Robbinsville, go straight, and then at the stop sign, make a left. And then just go up a couple miles until you get back on US 129. And once you see US 129, just make a right and head into Robbinsville. But I am going to conclude this video and say thank you for watching. And if there's something you want to see in the area, post a comment below or reach out to me on RideWNC